see. I don't know. I don't know. Yes. Coming out of my ears. Okay. Coming. Hi everyone. Welcome to Julie's Beautiful Life. My name is Julie. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to say we have a whole bunch of new subscribers and we are very happy to have you. Today we're just gonna do a quick trip through the Ipsy and Birchbox for May. I opened it only so I wouldn't have to tear it open on camera. Something sticking outside. Oh, ooh, yes. It's a buxom lip gloss. I did order this extra this month. It's in the color Claire. I love buxom lip glosses. Good Lord. Oh, and there was one other thing I ordered. Oh, there's two in here. This one I ordered, and this is a royal, and I'll put it in underneath. This is a blush brush. I told you I needed a good blush brush, and I thought I would give it a try for, I think I paid $3 for it. And I paid $3 for the buxom lip gloss, which looks just lovely. It's really sparkly. I can put a little bit on and see what it looks like. I already have a lip gloss on, so I'm not sure how they'll play together, but a little bit of sparkle there. I do love a good buxom lip gloss. And there's that cooling that you get with that. Okay, so this must be part of the bag, and this is another Miss Glam brushes. And as you know, I love getting brushes. So that's two brushes, one extra and one that came with the Ipsy. Here is this month's bag. This is cute, very sparkly.
She's very sparkly.
Definitely very sparkly.
Very sparkly.
Ipsy on it. Okay, right at the top is a MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base. So that looks like a glowy primer. I don't tend to go for glowy primers. I need to try some more. Since I've discovered the sunblock I was using it's just terrible. I used it again today under this makeup, which I really love, and it looks terrible. I know that that's the culprit. It's time to purchase another sunblock for sure. What do we have here? Pixie Skin Treats H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. Sounds exactly like what I need because right now I'm just really dry. I was at the eye doctor yesterday because my last appointment, the pressure in my eyes was high and she was a little concerned I was getting glaucoma. So I went back yesterday to have the pressure tested again. It was within normal range. I was telling her how my eyes are either bone dry to the point where they actually hurt, or they're weeping uncontrollably, and I'm not crying. It's just water coming out of my ears. Okay, coming out of my eyes, and I assumed it was allergies, but she said she really thinks I have dry eye, so she started me on some drops, and I actually saw another YouTuber talking about these drops. Here's a little sample. They're called Sustain Complete Optimal Dry Eye Relief. Well, I have to tell you, so far so good. But if they don't work within the next couple of weeks, then we're gonna have to go to a prescription, which I'm trying to avoid. Here we have Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. This is a company I see in these subscription boxes, but I don't see anywhere else. So I don't know what to think of that. Is it an indie brand? Is it an off cheap brand that they can get cheap for these bags? I don't know. Estate Lip Icing. Ooh. I have to open that up and see what it is. I have the worst time opening these boxes. It's pretty. And I love pink. It's called Drip. Should I try putting a third lip gloss on? Ooh. Oh yeah. Can you see that? It's definitely an icing. Kind of nice. It's got that cooling thing going like the buxom lip glosses do. Very nice. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. Well, we like to see cruelty-free. I'm Not sure how crazy I want to be about the parabens and the sulfates and the sulfites or whatever. There's just so many things, and I don't know. Sometimes I think we get too worried about things that probably have a very nominal effect on our lives. Here's the card, and it says, "Don't give up on your daydreams."
Keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your glow comes from within. Throw caution to the breeze, embrace your windblown hair, buy flowers for yourself, write love notes to your friends, wake up to watch the sunrise, sneak back under the covers. Ipsy Daydream.
Let's go through these products fast.
MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in Radiant Yellow. This silky gel primer hydrates, primes, and evens out your skin for makeup application while adding a hint of dewy radiance thanks to an infusion of pearlescent particles. Next, IDY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in 24K Magic. Swipe on this finely milled, ultra smooth highlighter to enhance your best features and get a subtle California glow. Next, the Miss Glam Blending Brush. This brand of glam brushes makes applying eyeshadow easy and fun. The tapered brush head is great for blending away harsh lines and applying shadow to your eye crease. Estate Cosmetics Lip Icing in Drip. The sheer pink birthday cake scented glaze has all the shine you could want with none of the stickiness. Last but not least, Pixie by Petra H2O Skin Drink. This skin-quenching gel formula cools, refreshes, heals, and protects skin. Pop it into your fridge overnight. When you apply in the AM, it'll help depuff your skin.
Well, I will give that a try because I am always super puffy. That was a pretty nice bag. It's not the best bag I ever got, but there's some things in here that look nice. Let's check out this highlighter. I've just recently found the Ofra highlighters that I just can't say enough about them. I love them. And part of the way I know that sunblock is causing me so much trouble is I put on the Ofra highlighter. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I love this highlighter and I think it looks awful today. I feel like it's showing every tiny bit of texture my skin has. Every line, every wrinkle was just amplified, and that's that sunblock. It dries my skin out. Oh, this is pretty. This is the highlighter that was sent. Let me see what that looks like. Ooh, very shiny, pretty. Kind of a bronzy. I'm not sure how it's gonna look with my skin tone, but it's not bad, it's pretty. Well, all in all, pretty nice bag. I like this little compact. Let us move on to the Birchbox. Ipsy has been my favorite since I started getting these subscription bags and boxes. I don't really understand the point of having a box. I have now a whole big collection of these boxes, and there's just a limit to how many boxes I need to keep around. It says, "Together we are unstoppable." Well, I don't know about that, but we'll see. This is my box. You can see that. There's some goodies in here. Yes. A cheek beauty blender. I love beauty blenders. They're so cute. They're so tiny though. I mean, they're so expensive and they're like this tiny little thing. But that is something I will use. I have wanted a Smith&Cult product for so long now. This is their nail polish in the color Doe My Dear. Nice. It looks almost like a taupe. I'm not sure how that's gonna look on my skin, but we will give it a whirl. Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Daily Serum. I'm gonna be very careful with this because the last time I used a Real Chemistry product, I really burned my neck and it hasn't completely recovered yet, so I have to be a little careful with that. I love this stuff. MoroccanOil treatment. Oh, this stuff smells divine. I love this stuff. I'm gonna open it so you can smell it. Oh yeah. Oh, it just takes you somewhere exotic. Wherever that might be for you. For me, it would probably be like Tahiti or Bora Bora. That's exotic to me. Fiji. Ooh, GrandeLips Plumping Liquid Lipstick. Birchbox, you're getting fancy on me. I love it. I've heard a lot about the GrandeLips products and I've heard all good things. Okay, and last but not least, Benefit High Beam Satiny Pink Complexion Highlighter. I actually had one of these that I gave to my daughter. Oh, and they gave us a little sticker. I ordered these for the products, not for the box, not for the bag they come in, not for stickers. That's not where I want my money to go. I don't need the frills. In fact, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them. There's just a limit to how many things I wanna keep in little boxes. You know, I like my things out where I can see them, or in a drawer where I can pull it open and see what's there. And I want to have to open a box to see what I put in there. And I don't know, the boxes aren't doing it for me. Okay, we'll go through these quickly, trying to beat the camera shutting off.
Smith&Cult Nailed Lacquer. Dough My Dear. Full size is $18. Good Lord. Nail polish has gotten so expensive. One coat gives nails a sheer gray taupe color that flatters almost any skin tone. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know if that color's gonna complement my skin tone. We'll see. Grande Cosmetics GrandeLips Hydra Plump Plumping Liquid Lipstick in Vintage Rose. Full size, $25. The GrandeLips and Grande Lash, all those products, they're definitely high end. This 3-in-1 liquid lipstick's creamy, semi-matte formula is built for comfort. It'll give you the healthy, plump, hydrated lips you've always wanted. Are my lips plump and hydrated? Benefit Cosmetics High Beam Liquid Face Highlighter. Full size is $26 of this satin pink highlighter that makes your skin look like it's drawing in light. I
didn't do real well with it the first time I had it, which is why I passed it on to my daughter, because she's got young, plump, beautiful, firm skin. A lot of highlighters really show up your texture, and some of that's unavoidable, and I don't spend any real time worrying about it because, you know, as I always say, these are mine and I earned them. These are my battle scars, so I wear them proudly. However, if I can hide some of them so you could see the skin rather than the wrinkles, well, I would of course prefer that. I don't spend a whole lot of time worrying about it, but if something doesn't look nice, I don't keep using it. I will try it again. I've learned a few tricks. I may be able to do better with it this time around. The sun is... I hope that's not too dark. See if we can finish this up quick.
Environmental Rescue Daily Serum, full size, is $44. Think of this lightweight serum as an invisible army of antioxidants. It fights against fine lines, improves elasticity, and makes your skin tone more even and bright. I will definitely give it a try, but I will be careful this time. Beauty Blender Beauty Blusher Cheeky, full size, $16. It's the perfect size for cream or powder blushes or highlighters. It's designed to curve to the apples of your cheeks. And last but not least, my beloved MoroccanOil, which honestly, it just smells so good. You just want to keep smelling it. It's lovely. This treatment is a versatile, all-in-one product that can be used to condition, style, and finish your look. It's specifically formulated for light-colored and fine hair to make those delicate hair types smoother and more manageable. Full size is $34, so it's a pretty pricey item.
When it first came out, I remember my hairdresser got it for me with her discount. It was like $10 for this big bottle, like this big. I loved that stuff. I was so sad when I ran out. Because it smells so good, but it also makes your hair really pretty. Those days have kind of flown by, and now I have this mass of very dry, stringy, gray hair. I am working on some things, so I will get back to you about that. I'm having trouble with my hair, and I imagine there's a whole lot of you that are having trouble with your hair too. So we'll see what we can find together. I am right now using some thickening products. I haven't been completely thrilled with them. I just bought a new shampoo which is volumizing. So I'm not sure exactly what the difference is between thickening and volumizing, but we're gonna give that a whirl and I will report back to you. All in all, I think we had a good month. Not my favorite, like I said, but I got some really nice things. I love the MoroccanOil. I'm happy to have the GrandeLips lipstick. I'm thrilled to have the Smith&Cult nail polish because I have wanted to try Smith&Cult nail polish specifically for quite a while, and I'd also really love to try their eyeshadows. Their eyeshadow quads are quite expensive, but oh, they're pretty. And you know, I like pretty sparkly things. Let's see, I love my Buxom lip gloss because I really like these lip glosses. I think they are fantastic and actually worth the price. That says a lot coming from me. I like the new one, which is the lip icing, and I think that's pretty. Let's see if it's still showing up. Yeah, I think it is. What else did I have in here? The highlighter. I am really looking forward to the Pixi by Petra skin drink. Like I said, my skin is so dry right now. I really think a lot of it is that sunblock I'm using. I am missing the Clarins Multi-Active Day Cream. That was just doing beautiful things for my skin. I ran out. I'm using samples and things to fill in. I'm not happy with the sample I'm using right now. I think I'm gonna just let it go. I only have one more. It's a tiny little sample, and I just don't see the point to keep using things that just make your skin worse. So I was very unhappy with them, but I will tell you about them when I talk trash for May. Let me know, are any of you with me? Do any of you think that the box for Birchbox is kind of lame? I think it's lame. I don't want stickers. I'm 55 years old. What am I gonna do with that? The money they spent to have those stickers made, I would have rather been put into a product. That's what I'm after. Like I said, I don't care. I mean, the bags are cute, but I've got so many of them now. My camera didn't make it. It shut off, so I let it cool for a couple minutes. Getting back to what I was saying. Is anybody with me? Do you think the boxes are lame? The bag is cute, but you know what? It's already got glitter all over my desk, and I'm not real happy about that. Maybe I'm just cranky today. I don't think so. I just think that we're not in it for the gimmicks. We're in it for the products. I would rather have a higher level of products. This month's Birchbox stepped up, I gotta say. I mean, the price went from $10 to $13 a month. They said there would be better brands, and I can't disagree. GrandeLips, MoroccanOil, and Smith&Cult, all high-end products. So I'm thrilled with that. Oh, and the Beauty Blender. The Beauty Blender is certainly high-end. I'm happy with that, but I could just as easily get rid of the box, get rid of the gimmicks. Ipsy, you could get rid of your bags. How many bags can one woman use, truthfully? I am looking for a way to give them to the middle schools or whatever, but I would rather you channel that money into the products. Tell me what you think. Are any of you getting interested in possibly subscribing to Ipsy or Birchbox? Or there's others, there's BoxyCharm, FabFitFun, Sephora Play, Allure does a box, or I think they do a bag. There's tons of subscriptions out there for makeup lovers or skincare lovers. Derm Store does one for skincare. I'm just wondering if seeing what I get in my subscriptions makes you want them. Of course, I still have links in my description box, and if you choose to buy a subscription to either of these, I would get a small reward, I guess you'd call it. I'm pretty sure it comes in the form of points, and I would be able to add them to my points to buy product. Truthfully, so far I haven't gotten enough points to buy anything, so I don't think it's like a huge amount of anything. Just letting you know, I want it to be completely transparent. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're there, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you for coming along with me today, taking a quick trip through the Ipsy and Birchbox for May. I will see you in my next video. In the meantime, life is precious. Don't miss a second of it. Go out and live your beautiful life.